Can you believe that power from John Cena? His shoulders are down. One, two. Once again, momentum has changed.
How do you deal with Cena? This man just keeps coming at you.
The guts, the determination, the resolve, the never-say-die attitude of John Cena.
How many finishes you did to me already?
Ooh.
You pinned after two.
Ouch! The back of it, look at this! Cena's feeling it again! You can't see me!
And Cena drives his fist down. 5-knuckle shuffle. John Cena so dogged and gritty. One, two.
An incredible series of moves there. Nobody's budging an inch in this one. Look at this.
Vicious shot to the lower back.
Cena looking for something big. Watch out here. Oh, right on the spine. Hey! Cena's got him.
Mark Henry. Again, he sent crashing to the outside.
Oh, no! It looked like his head just bounced off that concrete. Two. Wait a minute.
Henry.
Three. That's it. He's done. Four. Five. Oh! Six.
Mark Henry's not through.
The world's strongest slam.
Can he score the pin? One, two, three, no! And the sound of human flesh on the ground echoes around the arena. And that's why he's the world's strongest man.
What a counter. Keep your eye on Cena. Watch it.
What an incredible suplex. If anybody has the strength to win this match, it's Mark Henry.
My gosh, how strong is Mark Henry anyway? That was unreal. That's a move that'll disorient you. Uh-oh, this is bad. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. The ebb and flow of this match is just incredible.
Going top rope once more.
Hey, he's going for it again. Uh-oh.
Rolling out of the ring. And it might be time for him to reassess the situation.
might just bounce there.
Big move coming.
Touchdown! Oh, no! Right on the kidneys.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez.
What a matchup. This one continues to go back and forth.
He thinks he has it. 1, 2, 3. No! Oh, that was so close.
Ah!
Oh, gosh, the back. That could very well dislocate a vertebrae. Sent sailing right into the corner.
Oh, look out!
Backdrop, and that was a nasty landing.
Whoa!
Cena sticking in again. Attitude adjustment. John Cena got all of it.
Uh-oh. John Cena may be kicking it into another gear.
1.
Yeah, both of us.
Dangerous impact to the neck.
Uh-oh. Cena looking for something big. I think momentum's changed one more time.
Look at this. Look at this.
Incredible counter. Oh, Mark Henry gets shut down.
Look at the power. Look at the power of John. This could do it. 1, 2, 3. Cena wins. Cena wins.
Good match.